right now ay nandito ako sa ASIATIQUE.
Everything changes.
Is this the ferry going to ASIATIQUE?
ASIATIQUE na yan. Ayan. ASIATIQUE yan.
Top down and we're driving just to feel young, moving away to the sea, moving away, can't you see?
So right now we're just waiting for the next ferry going to ASIATIQUE. So ASIATIQUE the Riverfront is a large open-air mall here in Bangkok. It's like Chatuchak Market but more organized and clean. You can buy so many souvenir items here just like in Chatuchak. And there are also a lot of food options. What I love about Bangkok are the fruit shakes. They are almost everywhere. Aside from the fruit shakes, my favorite is matcha green tea.
Milk green tea. Regular.
Oh, they are currently doing a photo shoot for a commercial brand.
Later that same evening.
Today is March 16, so right now ay nandito ako sa ASIATIQUE. Isa itong popular destination na kung saan madami kang mapipili.
You say nothing at all.
Thank you so much sa panonood sa aking mga vlogs. If you want to see more, just click the subscribe button and follow me on my social media accounts. Peace!